Yes, I can shave my hair myself if I want to, but I just pay someone to do it. Also, I go and get a manicure and pedicure every other week, and every other week I do a facial. I go and get, like, these are the way that I reward myself now, and I stop using food. And what I do now, food is just my nutrition, meaning how much absorption am I getting? Am I getting all the vitamins and minerals that I need? Am I getting all of my fiber that I need? Those are the only things that I worry about food. I don't use it as an emotional crutch anymore. So another way that I actually, and let me just tell you this story because it's funny, because it happened to me yesterday when I was talking to one of my buddies here. And like, remember, if I told you, if you watch my previous videos, like, if you have family members that are negative or something like that, like, if once they respect your decision, they will make sure to go out of their way to make sure you're comfortable when it comes to eating. And so I'm probably one of the very few people that most people here know that do not eat any meat, cheese, or dairy products. And so he was like, "Oh, Jason, I'm cooking, can I make you something? What kind of man?" I was like, "Oh, no, I'm not eating right now. I'm actually doing intermittent fast, and I'm doing a juice fast." So and what I mean by that is, like, I take a long period of time where I don't eat any solid food, and I just drink liquids. Sometimes I do it with just water. Sometimes I do water with different herbal teas I make. Now I'm doing it with water, and I'm also doing fresh fruit juices that I'm juicing every day with fruits and veggies. So, like, this morning I had pineapple, carrot, ginger, orange, green apple juice.